No one signs up to work in child protection because they don't care. Everyone signs up because they care and because they want to make a difference.
Caseworkers' caseload should be somewhere around 12, 15 cases per caseworker. The year prior to me getting HB 151 passed, the average caseload in the Wasilla office was close to 50.
It has been beautiful for us in many ways, and if I could encourage anyone desiring to do foster care, just to let them know that it is beautiful. The most beautiful part is loving on the children.
Being adopted has shown me that there are people that care about you, people that love you. And when I'm a little bit older and ready to have kids, I want to adopt.